How to file a past year tax return for a business with TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you missed filing a business tax return for a previous year, you can still file back a tax return using TurboTax. For that, you want to determine the correct TurboTax version. You can go to TurboTax past year's product page. Here you want to select the correct tax version and click on the buy now option. If you have already purchased TurboTax desktop business, it will say access it here instead. Now you want to open TurboTax, then choose start a new return, enter your business details and income, then claim deductions and credits to lower your taxable income. TurboTax will calculate any refunds or taxes owed. Since past year tax return cannot be e-filed, you must print and mail it to the IRS. TurboTax will provide the correct mailing address based on your business type and location. Attach all required documents. Send it via certified mail to track delivery. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.